Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder and today I will show you the quick tutorial explaining how to make sure that the active link class feature working properly in your project. And as you know, in Blocs 5 or Blocs 4 or even 3, you can set the active link class to some style. And all you need to do to make it work, you need to go to Class Manager, add this class, this is the name you just typed in the settings, and style it. For example, in this project, I have the color of the link set to white. And by doing that, when you go to the page, let's say About page, you can see that this link is now white because I set the active link class to be white. And as you can see, it will change depending on what page we go to. And that's fine, but in recent weeks I received a number of questions from the Blocs Master students after I released the Blocs 5 course, is that if you have set the color of the navbar lia class to some other color, so let's say we want it to be blue, if you did that, the active link class will not be applied. The color will override, the default color will override the color, the white color we have set in the class for the active link page. So to solve this, there are actually many ways now. This Blocs 5, we have the new rules tab, which we can probably use for this as well. But the easiest way, which I have used for years, is actually much simpler. Well, first of all, as you might know from my tutorials, I like to use the source set to none, so we have more control over the links. And in order for this to work, I usually will not use the navbar lia class, which is default bootstrap class. I will add the link to each of these links separately. So let's say I want to keep the style. So what I will do, I will actually duplicate this default class. I will delete it. So now, as you can see, the links were set to the regular default link style. I will rename this custom link class. And now I will just add this custom link class to the links I have separately. And so the same style, everything is the same, but now it will still not work because I need to do one more thing. If we go to class manager, what we need to do, we need to make sure that the order is that default style comes first, and then we have the design active, which is the active link class. And to change the order, we can click on this button. If you would to create the website design from scratch, you can just style the links first and then add this design active page link. But because I already have it styled here, what I will do, I will actually click on this button. And from here, I can drag this link, this class, sorry, under the custom link class we have in the class manager. And this is the bug in Blocs 5, and it was the same in Blocs 4. Hopefully it will be fixed soon. As you can see, it shows the same name, but if you kind of exit and then enter this panel again, you can see that now the name is changed to design active. So now basically we have this class coming first, and then we have the active one overriding it. And this way, if we go to preview, you can see that now we have this perfectly working. So that's pretty quick tutorial, and I just got a lot of questions about this after releasing this course, because in this course I have decided not to use the default color, and there was nothing overriding the active link class. But I understand that some people want to have the links styled and then they want to have active link class color applied. So for you, this is how you can do that. If you haven't already, go to blocksmaster.com and check the new Ultimate Blocs 5 course, which is under the Learn section here. You can say I have Blocs 5 course here. And in this course, I have already released 37 videos covering the basics in Blocs. And I have the Making a Website in Blocs 5 released a couple of weeks ago. Here I cover everything you need to know to build a multi-page website in Blocs. I will continue to release new parts and new tutorials in coming weeks and months, starting from the January update. I will start adding the videos to mastering advanced features of Blocs 5. And for members, of course, this is free. If you want this course If you want to purchase it separately, you can also do that here from this page. If you have any questions or need help with anything, let me know in the comments below or contact me at support@blocksmaster.com. And if you watch this before the Christmas and New Year, happy holidays, enjoy the Christmas, and have a successful start to 2023. I will probably talk to you next year, but who knows, maybe in the coming days I will also release some other tutorial. I do that time to time when I get a lot of requests for some specific feature. Always happy to share my knowledge here on this channel. So if you haven't already, subscribe and stay tuned for more. Happy New Year!